2023 is the year of first-person shooters, and I love it.
Yeah, let it drop, let it drop, let it drop, let it drop. The building's going down, lads! The building's going down, lads!
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to CCTV, Canada Computers Tech Vision. Last episode, we covered Xiaomi's fast charging, as well as Suicide Squad, Kill the Justice League. The tech world moves fast. That's why we're here to catch you up on anything you missed. Let's go. Starting off with the FPS that has crazy potential. The Finals is a new game that just opened up their beta on Steam. Play in a team of 3 against 3 other teams of 3, so 12 total players. Deposit that money and get that win, baby! With the environmental destruction, it makes every experience feel fresh. Right now, there are only 2 maps, but with different times of day and weather, adds a really nice touch. Now, I have to mention there is no controller support for PC as of right now, but when the game does fully release, they do plan on coming out for consoles too. So we'll see if they do add controller support for PC. The time to kill feels great. All the guns feel different and the movement is smooth. But it is also hella buggy, but hey, it's a beta. I didn't expect a complete game. And hopefully they get all fixed when full release comes out. It will be a free-to-play game with a battle pass system. I'm really excited for this game. From the trailer alone, I got really hyped. It's nice seeing a new face in the FPS genre, and as a Call of Duty gamer myself, I'm excited to play a new FPS game. I just hope, like some of you, they add a 6v6 game mode. That'd be pretty cool too. More options isn't always a bad thing. But what do you guys think? Will you give this game a try? Staying on the topic of FPS games, CSGO is getting a new game. Yes, you heard that right. Back in the year 2012, a game called CSGO came out and took the gaming world by storm.
A knife is out, what's happening? He's getting stabbed!
Even after over a decade, they still have a solid player base, as well as a great esport. Keep your eyes peeled as the beta for CSGO 2, I mean, if they call it that, will be coming out sometime this month or even in early April. Richard Lewis has claimed his priority is getting this beta out there so he can fix any bugs and glitches in time for the full release. Now, I wasn't the biggest CSGO fan growing up, mainly because I was pretty bad at it. And if I'm being honest, I'm more of a Valorant player. But with this new CSGO game coming out, I have to wonder how is this going to affect Valorant, as well as other FPS games. What do you guys think? Are you excited about this? I'm definitely going to give it a try. That's it from me, guys. If you enjoyed, be sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.